Hey there, this is Robert from DockerUP, a free tool to Dockerize your app. Today we'll be looking into Dockerizing Sherlock, a neat tool to find social media accounts written in Python. Main app is stored in same name directory and uses requirements.txt for dependencies. Let's clone it and create a Docker file in the same time. We'll select Python, enter app path, leave default requirements, and copy our future image. Let's now remove supplied Docker file and add our own. Then we fire up the build. We completed that step before on this workstation, so it was instant here. In order to confirm it's working out of the box, let's use Sherlock to find awesome Mr. Neil Tyson. Yay! So that was it. I hope you'll enjoy DockerUP. It's free and awesome. Peace!